Yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make money on TikTok. But before we get into it, if you are new here and you are not subscribed to this channel, I want you all to kindly like this video, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So yeah, let's get into it. So for you to make money on TikTok, you first have to download the app. You enter your Play Store or your App Store, then you search for TikTok. You can see search for TikTok, then you click it. I actually have the app installed, so I'm just going to click open. Then you see these three dots at the top right hand corner. You are going to click it. Then it's going to bring out creator tools. Then you click on creator tools. Then you can see a lot of options. So you are just going to click on creator portal. Yeah, so this portal will show you different ways on how to get started on TikTok, how to make money and everything. But I'm just going to go directly into the video how to make money on TikTok. You can see this. If you want to get started on TikTok creation essentials, foundations for success, TikTok content strategy. So you can see getting paid to create. So you're just going to click on getting paid to create. We're going to wait for that to load. So getting branded, there are different ways to get paid to create. Option 1, getting branded content on TikTok. 2, tips, receiving tips. 3, video gifts. 4, creator next. 5, creator marketplace. 6, live gifting. And the 7th is the creator fund, which is like the greatest way to make money on TikTok. So let's start from option 1, creating branded content on TikTok. So I'm just going to click it. Now they will show you, a list of things, but I think I'm just going to summarize it for you all. Let's go. Now, branded content is just like you basically working for a brand. Brands like to partner with creators, you understand, to promote their brand. You can see TikTok said, what is branded content? TikTok defines branded content as any videos creators make that promotes brand goods or services in exchange for something of value for a third party. This creating branded content is actually so cool because you can get sponsorships, endorsements, and partnerships. And let's say you get a partnership with Oraimo. They are basically going to send you their latest product to do, a promotion on. And that product is for you. So apart from the money they would even pay you for that sponsored advert, you're also going to get a free product. And apart from that, you also get like good rating. Your page would be legit. A lot of people will believe in your work. They will be impressed that you're working for a big brand like Oraimo, or it could even be Apple. If Apple wants to drop the iPhone 15, they are basically going to send you the phone to promote it. And TikTok is basically a short video sharing app. So you are just going to share a very short video about the product and you are getting hundreds of dollars for that particular ad. Now let's move on to the next way you can make money on TikTok, which is by receiving tips. This is actually so cool. Yeah, but before we get into how you can get tips on TikTok, here's how you are going to be eligible. To be eligible, you have to opt in to the TikTok Creator Next. You also need to be at least 18 years of age or older and have at least 100,000 followers. This might not be easy, so I don't think I'm going to, spend so much time explaining this, but just for the sake of the video, and who knows, there might be someone that actually has 100,000 TikTok followers that's watching this video. So I'm just going to basically summarize it. Now, to opt in and start receiving tips, you have to be on Creator Next. Then you will go to your settings, then select Creator Tools, then click Tips, then apply and follow the instructions. Then if you haven't set up an account on Stripe, the payment provider used to receive your tips, you'll be taken to their website. Then as you say, after everything is done, you would have a tips icon which viewers can select. They can donate like 5 USD, 10 USD, 15 USD, or they can donate 50 USD, 100 USD, custom amounts. Let's say a big celebrity storms up on your page and they don't want to be known that they are, there's a way celebrities move. They don't want to, do like they actually know small creators. So they can actually donate anonymously to you. Yeah, let's move on to the next one, which is video gifts. Yeah. The video gifts feature gives creators an opportunity to collect diamonds by allowing their viewers to send a virtual gift in the comment section of a video. TikTok is going to award diamonds to creators, based on how viral your video goes, and the algorithm. They say they kill metric, but that's basically the algorithm. This is basically TikTok giving you a gift. They know creating content itself, it's a talent. It's not easy, man. So that's why this gift was introduced. So yeah, here's how the video gift work. You have to turn on the video gift feature. First, you need to join Creator Next. Most of the ways to make money on TikTok actually requires you joining Creator Next, the gateway to all of the monetization features on TikTok. Then you go to your settings and privacy page. From there, select Creator Tools, as I did earlier. Then select Video Gifts. Finally, then you turn on Video Gifts. So apart from that, there are some types of videos that are not eligible for gifts, like duets, stitch videos, ads, sponsored content, promoted posts, or any videos that does not comply with the community guidelines. Yeah, so another way you can make money through TikTok, which I've been talking about since, is the Creator Next. Now, once you apply for Creator Next, you would have numerous, ways to monetize your content. You can even collaborate with big brands, and just all you have to do is just keep making awesome, cool TikTok videos. Now, the TikTok Creator Next Fund. This is basically TikTok rewarding you for your hard work. YouTube does it. The last one they did for Africans was the YouTube Black. Now, this is TikTok's own, the TikTok Creator Funds. Also, the TikTok Creator Marketplace is just basically where, let me put it in, simple English, buyers and sellers come together. Brands and creators come together and they can work something out, and you surely get your reward. Also, you can earn money through live gifts. If you watch TikTok a lot, you notice people go live very well. Like, people can be live for hours, 5 hours. Like, there's a way TikTok will reward you for your live video if you keep getting, steady donations throughout that live. If people keep donating to you, you're surely going to get a gift from TikTok, because they feel like your live video is going viral. It's actually so cool because you can even receive support from TikTok themselves. One reason why the Creator Marketplace is so cool is because you're actually going to meet pros that has been in this business for years, and they are going to teach you, they are going to tell you how it's done. Now, you can also get money from live gifting. This is actually so cool, man. So I think I'm just going to summarize it. I told you, a lot of people go live on TikTok a lot. It's not only TikTok that would give you money if your live video is going viral. People actually donate well. You can even have a minimum of 10,000 followers or even 5,000 followers. Just go live. You will be receiving a lot of donations, most especially if people like your content. You can be a small creator, but your fan base may be small, but they are strong. That's why you actually just have to keep creating content. Basically, the summary of all this, if you want to keep getting money on TikTok, just keep creating content. So yeah, that's basically how to make money on TikTok, part 1. You can subscribe for the part 2. If you enjoyed this video and any of the methods eventually work for you, you can kindly hit that subscribe button. Enjoy.